Trail about 8 miles from Alma. Fishing this tournament here in Wisconsin. It's the Rutting Ridge Hunt Club is putting it on. And me and Matt Mecke are going to go out there and give it a couple days of looking for the fish and marking some GPS coordinates, and then hopefully putting it to them on Sunday. What do you think?
I'm thinking this is going to be a great time. Mayhem on the Mississippi, as they call it. So
we're in the bluffs, similar to Montana, but we got some nice scenery here. It's just going to be sunrise. It's about 7 o'clock, and yeah, won't be long. We'll be on the water. So we'll keep you posted. Crossing into the big town of Wabasha, Minnesota, home of grumpy old men. Now if we can only catch fish like them guys, huh? Loaded up, and we're ready to hit the ice here on Alma, one of the ponds. See, we got a $5 launch fee. Well, okay. Palm rods, a little bit different.
Mm-hmm.
You guys were using long rods here too.
Have, yeah.